Okay, we're to some word problems here. I know word problems make students uncomfortable sometimes. My best strategy is to just read the problem several times to yourself. You can always pause this video anytime you want to. I'm going to read through it once. Let's go to this first example here. A total of 518 tickets were sold at the school play. Forgot the word at. They were either adult or student tickets. There were 68 more student tickets sold than adult tickets. How many adult tickets were sold? So what I want to do is I need to define a letter. So I'm going to say let X equal something. And what I want to let X equal is probably what the question is going to answer. And the question being asked is how many adult tickets were sold? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say let X equal the number of adult tickets sold. This is always one of the harder parts, is remembering, or trying to figure this out. Now, as I'm doing this, I want to notice that there were more student tickets. In fact, there were 38 more student tickets sold. 68, pardon me. So that means I'm going to have X plus 68, and that's going to be the number of student tickets sold. Now, you don't have to be this detailed, but it really does help if you write this out for really clear understanding of the actual problems. Now, I know that the total number of tickets sold was 518. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the number of adult tickets sold, which is X, and I'm going to add that to the number of student tickets, which is X plus 68. And that total should be 518. Now I have an equation. This is the hardest part, I think, is getting to this equation. Now that we have the equation, I'm going to add up and combine my like terms to get 2x plus 68 equals 518. Subtract the 68 to both sides. Gives me 2x equals 450. And now I'm just going to divide by 2. Which gives me a total of 225. So my answer is going to be, and I'm going to write it in a complete sentence. It'll never hurt for you to write it in a complete sentence. Your teacher would like that. There were 225 adult tickets sold. All right, next up, we have Jack, who is 9 years older than Mike, and the sum of their ages is 73. What is Mike's age? So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to let X equal, and I'm going to go to the actual question and take a look. The question wants to know what is Mike's age. So I'm going to let X equal Mike's age. Now Jack is older. In fact, he's 9 years older, specifically 9 years older than Mike. That's going to give us that X plus 9 is Jack's age. So, just like I did before, I'm going to take Mike's age, which is X, and I'm going to add that to Jack's age, which is X plus 9. And that's going to equal 73, because the sum of their ages is 73. Combining my like terms, I get 2x plus 9 equals 73. Subtracting 9 to both sides, it's going to give me 64. 2x equals 64. Giving me, and dividing by 2 gives me x equals 32. So my answer, coming back to the English part of this, is going to be Mike's age is 32 years. You can word that any way you want to. Mike is 32 years old, however you want to go. Last one. Ethan's age is 2 times Jacob's age. The sum of their age is 84. What is Jacob's age? Once again, I'm going to let x equal Jacob's age because that's what the question is asking for. Now I'm going to notice that Ethan is older than Jacob. In fact, Ethan is 2 times Jacob's age. So that's going to mean that 2 times x should equal Jacob's age. Jack's age. Ethan's age. These are all my nephew's names, so. So the total is 84. So I'm going to get x, Jacob's age, plus Ethan's age, which is 2x, equals 84. And this is my total here, so I'm going to get 3x equals 84. And dividing by 3, I get that x is equal to 28. Which, back to the word problem, means that Jacob's age is 28 years. There you have it.